Forward-looking infrared camera. There are several of those cameras. Most of them are thermography cameras. Our camera's an optical gas imaging camera. When we walk in, facilities smile a little bit when they look at us with this camera. It looks like we brought our grandmother's video camera in. It gives you a visual image of a gas that's normally invisible. I can put it in high sensitivity mode if you want to see it there. And the ones our camera's looking for are VOCs, volatile organic compound. Those are very often pollutants or products at chemical facilities, and very often they are byproducts of manufacturing facilities. And most facilities have methods of control before those VOCs are emitted to the atmosphere. They're pollutants which have effects on our health and our environment. Yes, the first thing we do, it's one of the advantages of the camera is safety. Most technology, you have to be very close to an emission to detect it. With this camera, we will go into a facility and just scan the facility before we even walk through to the equipment. Our first goal with a facility is to assist them in finding what we call fugitive emissions, and those are leaks or just emissions that are coming out in places that they don't realize they have them. And so we walk through with the camera, help them identify those emissions, and then they can effect a repair. So we assist the facilities finding emissions so they can correct them and hopefully save themselves money. We assist them with educating their employees. But when we find a leak, we do expect the facility to correct it. And if I thought I saw something, then we can get a little closer and zero in on it. Most of these facilities can't afford a tool like this. The camera itself costs over $100,000. I think there's a lens on it that costs $20,000. And so it's not a tool that most facilities would purchase for themselves or even rent. We go through the facilities and show them what we can see with the camera, and then we offer to come back after they've made a repair and walk through again and help them verify that their repair's been effective. Every time we find a leak, I feel good about it. It may be that we're protecting the employees within that facility. It may be that we're saving the facility money by identifying a place where they're losing product. Or it may just be that we're protecting the people of the Commonwealth, that these emissions aren't continually going out into the air that we all breathe each day.